The rain fell in steady rhythm, tapping against the old window pane like a soft reminder of time's passage. Do you have an orchid that looks weak and stressed? Yellow leaves, damaged roots, and less growth day by day? Don't give up just yet. In this video, I'll share a simple and easy method you can do at home to restore your orchid, help it grow stronger, and encourage healthy new roots. For this method, we'll use something very simple that most of us already have at home: banana peels. Banana peels are rich in natural potassium and minerals that help strengthen orchids, support root recovery, and encourage new growth. I'll show you how to prepare and use them safely so your orchid can absorb the nutrients without harm. If you have any questions or need help, please leave a comment below. First, I lightly roast the banana peels until they become dry and slightly crisp. And here is our main orchid for today. As you can see, the plant has been damaged by excess moisture. The roots are weakened and affected by rot, and the leaves have turned yellow due to waterlogging. This makes it a perfect example to show the recovery process step by step. If you enjoy this kind of simple, natural plant care, please subscribe to the channel and join me for more helpful videos. Before using any recovery method, the first thing we need to do is clean the plant. I'll carefully remove the orchid from its pot, wash away old media, and inspect the roots. Any roots that are soft, dark, or damaged will be trimmed away so only healthy tissue remains. This step is very important to stop further damage and help the orchid recover safely. Please subscribe to the channel for more simple plant care tips. have any questions or need help, please leave a comment below. If you enjoy this kind of simple, natural plant care, please subscribe to the channel and join me for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or need help, please leave a comment below. Now that the orchid is clean and prepared, it's time to use the banana peel solution. I'll gently soak the orchid in this diluted solution for a short time, just enough for the roots to absorb the nutrients. This helps support recovery, strengthen the plant, and encourage new root growth without causing stress. After soaking, I let the orchid dry naturally in a well-ventilated, shaded area. This resting period helps the roots recover and prevents excess moisture. After soaking, I let the orchid dry naturally in a well-ventilated, shaded area. This resting period helps the roots recover and prevents excess moisture. After a short time, you can start to see signs of recovery. New roots slowly appear, and the leaves begin to look firmer and healthier. At this stage, patience is very important. I continue regular care, gentle watering, and avoid overfeeding so the plant can grow steadily. If you have any questions or need help, please leave a comment below. Please subscribe to the channel for more simple plant care tips. When the orchid is strong enough, it starts to produce a flower spike. This is the moment that shows all the care and effort have paid off. And finally, the orchid blooms beautifully. From a stressed plant to healthy roots and flowers, all with simple, gentle care at home. Thanks for spending your time with me today. I truly appreciate your support. Please come back and join me again for more plant care videos. Take care and see you soon.